Good morning, SK.
Good morning, SK.
Welcome back, SK.
Good morning, South.
Able to swing it across. Doug lets it fly, and he scores!
Good morning, SK, and welcome to the 2,906th episode of WTV.
Wait, really?
Well, at least close to it. That would mean we should hit episode 3,000 this year.
Well, I guess that's bound to happen when you think about it. I mean, WTV has been around for like 18 plus years.
We can explore more of the show's history later. First, we got to get through the news. As many of you know, this week is conference week. Monday and Tuesday will have a normal schedule, but Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday will be half days. This means there's no late start Wednesday this week. Are you 18 or will be before next Tuesday? Then you can register to vote in the upcoming election. You can register to vote at votewa.gov until the end of today, or you can register in person at the auditor's office downtown. Either way, once you've registered, you can vote on who will be on the school board and more.
SK is co-hosting a college fair tonight. Find out how you can sign up in your grade level classroom. Get some one-on-one time with in and out-of-state colleges to help plan your future. Pre-registration is required, so hurry up so you don't miss out. Don't want to critically fail in your weekend plans next week? Then get your tickets now for She Kills Monsters, a play that has everything from comedy, drama, and multiple dragon heads? Well, if this sounds like the play for you, make sure to buy your tickets now from the SK web store.
And from the sound of things, we'll have an interview with some of the cast later this week, so make sure not to miss it. Several fall sports are entering postseason play, meaning winter sports are just about ready to start. Make sure you have a current physical on file with the athletics office. Remember, you must complete your registration to be eligible to play. One of those winter sports is ladies basketball, which is holding open gym on Tuesdays and Thursdays for those wanting to join the team. Again, your physical must be on file with athletics, and you must complete your COVID-19 waiver to join. And as it's 1 week away, bowling starts next Monday, so if you want to show some pinheads who's boss, make sure to sign up today. Before going into how our teams did over the weekend, we have a question for you. How did you do on your parking job this morning?
Driving is a serious thing. It's important to make sure you're safe and following the rules, especially around SK. All students must have a parking pass in order to park on campus. You can get your passes at the ASB office. Don't forget to check in with security first. Your parking pass must be visible in the bottom left side of your windshield. Now that you have your parking pass, let's talk about where you can park. Make sure you park in the student parking section, not staff. Also, don't park without a pass or security will ticket you. When you are driving in the parking lot, please be respectful and drive at the appropriate speed. Please drive on the right side of the road. Lastly, don't be this guy. Park the right way.
There you go. Avoid those tickets and park right. On Friday, men's water polo traveled to Lakes to wrap up a long week of games. Unfortunately, the week finished like it started, with an 18-8 loss. Some bright spots were Spencer Northrop and Logan Wood scoring 3 goals each, and Alex Johnson scoring 2, as well as great goalie work by Carter Sherwood. They have 3 more games this week to wrap up their season. And football had another hard game on Saturday. Through the wind and the rain, they were able to get 1 touchdown but still fell short. They have their last regular season game Thursday. Over the weekend, the ladies swim and dive team went to the SPSL meet. The swim team placed 5th overall with the 200 medley relay team qualifying for West Central Districts. And a big shout out to Toby Chappell for being the SPSL diving champion. Good luck at District Wolves.
Still unsure of your post-high school plans? Well, the Marine Corps is stopping by the Career Center today, and Gonzaga will be by tomorrow. Remember, these visitations are open to all grades, so make sure to sign up today in the Career Center. And while you're there, check out some of the upcoming scholarships. The VFW and the Daughters of the American Revolution have scholarship deadlines as early as Sunday. Don't miss the chance at free money and apply today.
Spanish Club is moving their meeting to Tuesday this week due to conferences. They'll be decorating sugar skulls for Dia de los Muertos, also known as Day of the Dead. D&D is about to get rolling again, with their first meeting being next Tuesday. And tomorrow, Builders of Unity will meet to discuss how to have a Kitsap County Human Rights Youth Rally this year. They're looking for They are looking for people or groups with a passion for human rights to lead workshops, sing or dance, share a talent, MC at the event, or just attend to find out what it is they like. To find out what it's like. They will also be decorating masks and discussing who they are at South Kitsap. And additionally, GSA will not meet this week. Meeting today is ASL, Magic the Gathering, and Model UN will meet. Meeting tomorrow are Builders of Unity, French, National Honor Society, Key Club, and Spanish. And before we wrap up the show, let's take a look outside. Lately, we've been adding new outdoor cameras to WTV. This one here will be the new main camera, and we will let you guys pick where it's pointing.
So keep an eye out, as over the next few days we'll move it around like this, and next week we'll ask you to choose the new look of SK's most popular window.
And as the old saying goes, that's the way the wolf howls.
Wait, how old is that saying?
It's from the first episode.
Cool. Anyways, have a great windy day, SK.